In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change views in Microsoft Project. If you're managing a schedule, resources, or assignments, switching views is one of the quickest ways to zero in on the information you need without changing your data. Think of views as different lenses. Each one shows the same project in a different format, so you can analyze tasks, timelines, or workloads more clearly. Let's start with the fastest method, the ribbon. At the top of the Microsoft Project desktop app, click the View tab. In the Task Views or Resource Views group, simply click the name of the view you want. For example, choose Gantt Chart to see your task list with timeline bars, Calendar to visualize tasks by date, or Task Usage to see tasks alongside who's doing the work and when. The moment you click a view name, Project switches your main window to that view, no extra confirmation needed. This is perfect for quick context changes while you're planning or reviewing. If you don't see the view you want on the ribbon, you can reveal more options. Still on the View tab, look for one of the view icons, such as Gantt Chart, and click the small down arrow next to it. From the list that opens, choose More Views. In the More Views dialog box, select the view you need and click Apply. This is where you'll find views that aren't shown by default on the ribbon, so it's a handy place to locate options like Task Sheet, Resource Sheet, or Resource Usage when they're not immediately visible. It helps to know how views are grouped, so you can pick the right one quickly. Task views focus on your project's tasks, like Gantt Chart and Task Sheet. Resource views spotlight the people or equipment doing the work, such as Resource Sheet and Resource Usage. Assignment views display who is assigned to what and when, with Task Usage and Resource Usage offering different angles on the same assignments. If the view bar is visible in your layout, usually along the left side or occasionally across the top, you can also click directly there to switch views in a single step. As a final tip, remember that changing views doesn't alter your data. It just changes how it's presented. Use Gantt Chart for planning and sequencing, Calendar for date-based scheduling, Task Usage to investigate workload at the task level, and Resource Usage for balancing work across your team. Switching views intentionally will help you spot issues faster and make better project decisions.